Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel AI Learning Solutions. I am Shalini. In this video, I'm going to show a quick demo how to use Azure AI Service to detect the language of text. To show you this demo, I will create console-based Python application and using the REST API approach, I will use the Azure AI Service resource to enable AI feature in this Python application. So let's get started. For this demo, I have already created my Azure AI service in Azure portal. If you want to know how to create Azure AI service resource, you can check the other video which I'm sharing the link in my description box. Also, I have already prepared my basic Python application. So let's see this application here. In this particular application, this is the basic Python application where I am loading the global variables, which is referring to the service endpoint and key from the Python environment file. Below, here I am using a function getLanguage, which is I have created. This is the main function which is going to do the actual job. Here I am passing a text which I wanted to take from user, and I'm also passing a hard text just to show you that it can evaluate different text languages altogether. So this is two inputs I'm passing to the service under the REST API approach. Now you can see using this line I'm printing the text, and here I'm making a URI connection. So once the URI connection is there, I'm going to provide the authentication and sending a post request to this API. So you can see here I made a request here with that particular URI. Now I'm fetching up the response status. If it is successful, I'm fetching up the result and printing the result on the screen. Finally, from that JSON output, I'm iterating all the documents and I'm printing the detected language. So let's see the output of this application. So here I'm giving a sample text, hello, how are you? One is already hard coded and second text I have just given. So you can see the first text was user input. So I'm getting the detected language as English. You observe here the ID1 is hello, how are you, which is English, and ID2 is bonjour, which is a French language. And the service is able to detect the language. Under the result, I'm getting all these information. So if I wanted to use any other feature, I can make use of. So that's all on this demo. For more such content, subscribe to my channel AI Learning Solutions. Like and share the video to promote learning. Comment out on which next topic you want to learn more. For more training inquiries, you can share your requirement to my inbox. Email is there in the description box. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.